Latest news in the crypto world. The first one is Bitcoin bouncing back. The second one would be why long-term holders are getting crushed right now. And the third one, surprisingly, Shiba Inu suddenly leading the altcoin rally. By the way, my name is Alex Simex. Welcome to my crypto channel, and today is July 26, 2026. Now let's dive into the latest free and most important news in the crypto world. So let's start with the Bitcoin because most of you are interested in the Bitcoin. There is good news, or there are good news. We are bouncing a little bit, not too much, but a little bit. It did drop to $63,800 yesterday, but then it bounced to about 64,400, which is about 0.7% up today. Nothing special, but it's nice to see that we are somehow fighting despite everything going on. So that's a good news. But here's the interesting stuff. The last 24 hours have been really rough for the leveraged traders. We saw about $78 million in liquidations, mostly long positions that are getting wiped out. So there are a lot of people that are betting on prices going up, and unfortunately they got burned quite heavily. Now let me tell you one crazy news or one crazy insight. A prominent trader just pointed out that the long-term Bitcoin holders are losing more money right now than they did when the FTX collapsed. You know, FTX, where everyone lost huge amount of money. Think about that. The amount of supply held at a loss by long-term holders is actually bigger now than during the FTX liquidation. I think that's an important thing, especially because it's approaching levels we haven't seen since the 2018 bear market. So it is something to think about. It is worth knowing, I would say, because it doesn't look good from this side. The next thing I would like to talk is that analysts are watching $63,800 very closely. They said that Bitcoin can hold that. We could see a recovery to about $67,000, but if it breaks, we could go down to 62,400, and then if that breaks, we could go to even 60,000 or less. So those are supposedly the levels we should all watch. That's just an information. It's up to you whether you're going to appreciate it or not. Now let's go to the winners of the altcoins. First place, it's Shiba Inu, famous Shiba Inu with a interesting logo, I would say. Well, they jumped 25% in just last 24 hours. So in one day, people earned 1/4 or 25%. That's huge. It's actually the top performer among 100 cryptocurrencies or top cryptocurrencies right now. The second is Avalanche that went up 8%, and the Dogecoin with 4% up. So altcoins are showing some strength today, and we'll see what's going to happen in the next few days. By the way, Kimchi Premium, I already talked about it in previous videos. That's a price gap between South Korean and global exchanges. It is positive again. For some time it was negative, but Bitcoin is showing a small premium, Ethereum as well, and that's a shift from the negative premiums we were seeing earlier. So that is a nice indication, I would say. These were the daily news for today that happened in the last 24 hours. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and press a like if you like the video. I'll see you tomorrow. I post every day, and as you can see, I'm already mumbling, so it's time to quit the video. Thank you.